Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to be making this video because I've managed to find a method on how to get free power rolls in Ink Game. These are working Roblox Ink Game codes that you can apply right now. And like I said guys, this is going to supply you with free power rolls. You can get 1,000 of them for completely free. And this method only takes a few minutes guys, so just make sure you follow all of the instructions in this quick tutorial. And drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I plan on making many more Ink Game tutorials. So let's show you how to get your free power rolls. As you can see guys, I'm using my mobile phone and I've opened up an internet browser. I'm using an iPhone, but you can use any mobile device as long as you have an internet connection. And you've just got to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. As you can see guys, very important you type it correctly and head on over to Cold Coupons. Now this website has loads of codes on here. As you can see, I'm scrolling through. They have pages and pages of different game codes. So use the search bar at the top and just type in Ink Game. My internet's pretty slow today, but it should pop up guys if you spell it correctly. There you go, Ink Game Roblox, one code. So there is only one code, but there are a bunch of them. So as you can see, this is the Ink Game code for, it's 100 free power rolls, not 1,000. Okay, but that's still pretty good. And as you can see, it's been highly rated, over 9,000 ratings. So click on Get Code. And as you can see, this is an Ink Game code for free power rolls. Click on Show Full Code. And this is the easiest method, guys. Like I said, I spent a long time searching on Google and also watching YouTube tutorials. And not many methods worked, but this one did. So as you can see, it says your code is ready and the code will be revealed in the box below after verification, and your personal Ink Game Roblox code is locked. So you can see it's locked. And this stops people from stealing the limited amount of codes. So it allows one code per person. So to unlock your code guys, you've got to click on this button and it should load up here, Code Unlocker. And basically guys, you have to complete 2 of the free tasks. As you can see, they're all completely free. And these tasks basically sponsor Cold Coupon and allow them to supply such awesome codes, but it's completely free for you. So as you can see guys, it says TikTok, install the app, open it and run it for 30 seconds. So that's super easy. If you don't have TikTok, you can go ahead and do that one. There's other things like mobile applications, mobile games that you can play, and also free surveys. It will depend will depend on your country. And yeah, they're all going to be super easy. So just complete 2 of them, and I've skipped forward, but yeah, if you do that, your code will say unlocked and you can grab your code. Like I said, I've done this previously, so you can only do this once. So once you get your Ink Game code, make sure you keep it for yourself, use it, and that is how to get free power rolls in Ink Game Roblox. Head on over to Cold Coupons. And that is how to do it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.